Socket Shield offers a unique child safety feature. If this is something you need, there's an easy way to convert your Socket Shield to allow for enhanced protection while keeping the same aesthetic appeal. Here's how. Straight out of the package, Socket Shield has a small bypass clip inserted into the 2 keyholes on the door. This clip keeps the door's locking mechanisms continuously disengaged, allowing the door to slide open and closed without being locked or unlocked. The bypass clip must be removed to allow the door to be securely locked when shut. Locate the bypass clip behind the door's 2 keyholes. Remove the bypass clip and then insert it into the backside of the wall plate. You'll notice there's already a spot dedicated for storing this clip. The sliding door will now lock when shut, making your home a safer environment for everyone, especially children. When it comes to your family and your home, you'll be glad you chose Socket Shield, because safety is a beautiful thing.